Hey guys, welcome back to another Joe Mueller unboxing video. This week in the mail, I received this, guys. A Magic Chef Airfryer from Mueller in California. And I absolutely love the air fryer. It cooks with no oil. Very, very healthy. It's a large capacity, 5.6 quarts. So you could feed a whole crowd with this air fryer at one shot. It's non-stick, dishwasher safe, so it's really, really easy to clean up. It's got digital, intuitive touchscreen controls and makes it virtually fail-safe. Okay, so we're going to do the unboxing and let's check it out. And they do a really, really good job at packaging this, guys. I gotta tell you, really, really nice packaging. Look at this. You get a little styrofoam on top to keep your air fryer virtually undamaged from shipping. Wow, check this out. Let me get this out of the box, guys. I'm gonna have to stand. This, guys, and here it is, the Magic Chef Airfryer. Check that out. Let me just take the tape off. That was a fast unboxing, guys. Wow, check that out. That is huge. You can really, really cook some things for the whole family watching your favorite football team. Oh, I see how this works. That's neat. You see how that comes out? Basically non-stick surface. Really, really nice. All right, let's see what you get in the package. In the box, that is. Oh, that's pretty nice. Introducing the Magic Chef Airfryer. And this is model MCA F556DB. Wow, pretty nice. So you get your manual. And then you get a healthy cooking recipe book to cook oil-free with the air fryer. Oilless air fryer. And let's see what kind of recipes you get, guys. Really, really quick here. Wow, vegetable egg rolls, one of my favorites. Monkey bread. Ooh, we got to try this one. Parmesan zucchini fries. Check that out. Really, really big type. Really, really nice photographs. Allows you to see exactly what it looks like. You got your ingredients. You got your prep, cooking time, temperature, and the number of people it serves. Makes it really, really nice recipes. Makes it virtually fail-safe, guys. Wow. Pull-apart bread. Cheesy pull-apart bread. That sounds great. Stuffed mushrooms. I'm getting hungry just looking at this. Wow. Really, really nice. Tater tot bombs. There you go. I think this recipe book was written for me. Absolutely. Vegetable gratin. Now we're getting healthy. Italian baked egg. This is really, really, really good, guys. This is going to actually jumpstart you enjoying and benefiting from the healthy aspects of this air fryer. The air fryer is very, very easy to use. Very intuitive with the digital display. You have various modes, French fries, roast, shrimp. That looks like cake. We have chicken. We also have steak and fish. And basically what happens is it defaults the temperature and defaults the time for really fabulous cooking. And you can see here, you got the plus and the minus. That's your temperature control right here. And your time control is right here. Wow, this is really, really great. And what really is impressive is just how big it is. Look at all of that room. The Magic Chef Airfryer from Mueller.